Hi guys, if you want to use the indicators while backtesting in FX Replay, this video is going to show you exactly how you can add and customize them on your charts. Now, if you want to try FX Replay for yourself, there is a 15% discount link in the description box below. So first of all, you need to come here on fxreplay.com. Afterwards, you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you log in into your account, you just have to simply open your backtesting chart in front of you. So when you are inside, you are going to see this type of chart interface, which is going to look like TradingView chart that we see. So over here on the top, we have the indicators section available. So you just have to simply select the option of indicator. Afterwards, you just have to provide the name of the indicator that you want to use. For example, let's say I want to add the EMA. So I've added over here. Now you just have to simply select that particular indicator which you want to place on top of your chart. And as you can see, I've added the double EMA and now the indicator is over here. So that's how you can basically add it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.